She's a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I 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 always daydreaming, never imagine.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, so first disclaimer, honey, I know I'm wrinkled. I know I'm wrinkled. I know I am, but I ain't going nowhere. Okay, I'm not going nowhere. This is I put this on purely for this video, so don't judge me, girl. And the second thing I want to say, if you guys have been watching recently, I love to give you guys subscribers shout outs, just to kind of show you guys that I really appreciate the love and support that you guys show to me. So if I see you consistently in the comments saying something, you know, liking the videos and just being really, really supportive, I like to give you guys shout outs. So today I am going to give a shout out to my girl, Erin Marie Mason. Shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate all your love and support. You've been rocking with me for a while, and I do appreciate it. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was caught by your girl with her own coins. Okay, so shout out to me for buying yet another wig with my own coins, honey. You know I like to give myself a little shout out here and there, okay? So this unit that I am rocking is by Bobbi Boss, and y'all, it's been so long since I've said Bobbi Boss. Like, you guys know, a lot of you guys that are long-time subscribers, I used to love to get a Bobbi Boss unit just to say Bobbi Boss, because I felt like it made me sound, you know, northern, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, this unit is by Bobbi Boss. It is from their, I don't know if this is a collection, but they have on here Boss Lace First Class Hair, Medi Fresh Safe and Clean Cap, 4.5 deep lace part, ear-to-ear lace front, hand-tied lace part, natural baby hairs. It is in the style Mlf546 Cobalt, and I did get it in the color number 2. It does say made with HD lace. And on the back, it just shows you what it looks like on the side and on the back. I mean, on the side. Yeah, on the side and the back, okay? Get it out, girl. What you got going on? Anyways, yeah, it does. On the back, it just shows you what it looks like in the back and on the side. So, yeah, this is what it looks like on the stock part. And this is what it looks like on the back. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I was looking for reviews on this unit, and I was only able to come across one review. And I think it was in this particular color, the color that the stock model is wearing. And it was from the Wig Types reviews, but I didn't see any other reviews on YouTube. Now, I didn't watch that review because I don't like to watch the review before I put on the unit, because I kind of like to be surprised, honey. Okay, I like to put it on, and then I like to form my own opinion, and then I'll go back and watch a review later. That's just kind of how I do that, because sometimes I feel like if I watch a review, it may make me feel some type of way prior to me actually putting it on. Do that make sense? So yeah, but I only saw that one review, so I'm like, is this wig just nobody likes it? Because I feel like with the Wig Type review, like, I think they basically review all the units on the site. So I was like, you know, when I don't see anybody else, you know, it's like, what's good? Like, is nobody feeling this? Did nobody see it? Am I early? Like, what's going on? So I don't know. But I got the unit. Now this unit is, I want to go ahead and tell you, it's a lace part wig. So it's more so like a T-part wig, and meaning that the lace goes out from ear to ear, but you cannot part this unit anywhere else. It's not like when you have a frontal wig. So it's a lace part, so this is the only place that you can part it. And because of how it's made, I wouldn't say that you can shift this wig. Maybe you can if you're going for a different sort of look, sis, but it's not made to be shifted. With this wig, it does say HD lace. It doesn't say anything about it being pre-tweezed, thank God, because honey is thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, honey. That hairline is thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. So I'm glad they didn't say that it was pre-tweezed, because our girl is not, okay? As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I didn't receive any shedding or tangling. I did mess around and cut some hair over here by mistake, and it was shedding a little bit, but that's not even shedding anymore. But it wasn't from the unit shed in general. It was team my bad, girl. It was team my bad. So yeah, that was pretty much it as far as that goes. Now, as far as this wig being big head friendly, I do feel like it's big head friendly in my opinion, because I did have to adjust the straps to make it work for me. Now, I do have an average cap size, so I kind of just, I always say in my videos, I can only guesstimate because I only got one head, honey, and that's the one that I'm rocking. But I can guesstimate, to me, that is big head friendly if I have to adjust the strap. If I don't have to adjust the strap and it fits snugly, then I say that it's small to medium head friendly. But, you know, I'm guesstimating here. So do with that what you want to, sis. Don't come for me later. So, yeah, I can only guesstimate whether or not it's big head friendly. But, yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about old girl as well as a full 360, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I like this wig more when I look at myself in the mirror than I do on camera. I may later like it on camera while I'm editing, but just looking in the mirror and then looking on camera is not giving what I feel like she's giving. So one of these two is lying, okay? I don't know if it's cute or if it's not cute. I don't know. Honestly, y'all, she looks way better than I thought she would look. Like, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I didn't expect it to look as decent as it does. Even on camera, it looks better than I thought it would. Now, honey, in the mirror, she is giving. Okay, she is giving what I need her to give in the mirror. On camera, it looks like a little confusing. But I really like the unit. I do. I am pleasantly surprised at it. And I don't remember how much she cost, but I remember back in the day, Bobbi used to be high. So let me look and see. Okay, it looks like she ranges between $25 and $30. So I don't think that's bad at all for this unit. I think that the unit is definitely given. Like, I don't know, she giving some, honey, but yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a really nice wig, and she gives this sort of sophisticated look, okay, with my Cruella de Vil outfit, okay? She's just kind of giving to me. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you like her? Let me know. I don't know what the back look like now, honey. The back could be a whole hot mess. I don't know. But to me, I think it's a look. So let me know down below what you guys think. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and then we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. If she would stay curled, she would definitely be a fade for me. But yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you own this unit, if you're having a different color. Let me know. I really love it in this number 2. It just looks like really nice and healthy. It's like giving nice, healthy vibes. I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. Or just comment, hey girl, how you doing? And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I am held to Miss CL Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.